Oh, goodness. Before we begin, we would like to acknowledge that we are on the unceded traditional territory of the Secwepemc people, and we would like to be good stewards of the land. Hi, my name is Vianne Breddick.
My name is Etoile Brown.
My name is Aurelia Beaumont.
We're here on behalf of the Environmental Leadership Group at Shuswap Middle School, and we believe that we can make a difference by improving our waste management habits.
Take a moment to reflect. Do you use your compost bin in your class? Do you even have one? If not, talk to your teacher and they should be able to get one. Or you can even make your own as long as it's a suitable sized container. Ice cream pails are a very good option.
You might be surprised to know, whoa, that was very serious. You might be surprised to know that most of the stuff that we throw in the landfill can actually be recycled or composted. Landfill is the last option. You might be wondering why we're using the word landfill instead of garbage. It's simple, really. Land is filling up with our garbage.
One school did a survey about what went in their garbage, and they discovered that 90% of what was in there did not need to be going to the landfill.
So, what really happens with that 90% of junk that goes in the landfill?
Well, it all ends up in a place like this.
One way to learn about your school's waste management habits is to do an audit. These can be done throughout the school year to see how your school is doing with their progress towards zero waste. Right now, we're going to be doing an audit on our school hallways garbage.
Yikes. Okay.
Can't go first.
The compost?
This apple core can be composted, which is right here.
Geez.
What was that?
It's an apple core. We found like these little baby carrot.
I'm taking. Yes, so this pile is to take home. This also has to be taken there.
It's a lot of stuff that has to be taken home.
So if it's crinkly, take it home and you can recycle it at your house.
Oh, Baby Bell cheese. This is compostable. Don't throw that in the garbage.
Look how big the compost pile is growing and how much the landfill pile is shrinking.
There's like a whole carrot. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that we're done, but you can really see there's, I think, just these two things that have to go in the garbage. Like out of this big thing, only two things had to go in the garbage. That's kind of crazy. The pile of compost, that could have been dirt, like fresh soil.
All this stuff you can bring back and bring it and recycle it at your house.
And I'm seeing that we did a pretty good job with the juice boxes because we have a return it bin.
I think we just made like 40 cents off of that, so I mean,
I don't know what to say now. So we actually made a few mistakes, but those are pretty easy to fix.
These yogurt drinks, they actually have to be recycled because they can't be returned for money.
And if you look at the bottom of the bottle, there will be, if there's a triangle, that means that they have to be recycled.
at school, styrofoam unfortunately has to go in the landfill, but if you're at home, you can recycle it.
Now we're going to talk about single-use plastics. These are plastics that you can only use once. You will see these plastics in stores. There are many ways to avoid using them. For example, instead of buying an individual yogurt tube for your lunch, you can buy a big tub of yogurt and put it in a reusable container.
Or, another option is Ziploc bags. While they're labeled a single-use plastic, you can reuse them many times. All you have to do is take them home and wash them after they've been used.
One goal in our school is to promote is to promote litterless lunch. I keep saying it wrong.
Litterless
lunches.
Promote litterless lunches.
You said it. You did.
You said it. Okay. I got this one.
One goal in our school is to promote litterless lunches. They can look different, and here's some examples.
Let's see what a litterless lunch could look like. I use these silicone bags, but they work just as well as the single-use plastic ones that you reuse. A beeswax wrap is really handy, so you don't have to throw away the plastic wrap. These are just like your clear plastic containers that are reusable, and they work in the same way. This is a fabric bag kind of like my silicone ones. If you ever have a granola bar in your lunch, you can leave the wrapper in your lunch kit and bring it home to recycle. And one last trick to having a litterless lunch is having your own utensils. So you've probably heard of the 3 R's, but did you know that there's more than just recycle, reduce, and reuse? Here are a few more R's to add to the list. Repair, regift, refill, and rethink. Keep this information in mind so that the next time you go to dispose of something, you do the right thing. By working together, we're hoping to see some changes for the better in our school district. And remember, changing our habits takes time and practice. And if we work together, we can make a difference.
Hi, my name is Vian.
My name's Etoile.
And my name's Aurelia. We're in the 8th grade environmental club at SMS.
We just want to say a big thank you for the whole grant that you've given us to really make a difference in our community for the environment.
We started working on this project last year, so we're super excited to be able to use this money to create the video and finish the project.
We really hope it makes a difference in our community and our schools.
Thank you, Benson family.
Thank you, Benson family. Thank you, Miss Linda.
You're welcome. All right, thank you.